Good evening, everyone. Today I am going to discuss about what are mycorrhizae and their types. Mycorrhizae. A mycorrhizae is a symbiotic relationship between a fungus and a root system. A network of fungus filaments surrounds the developing roots or reaches the root cells directly. The word mycorrhizae was coined by German scientist Albert Bernhard Frank in 1885. The hyphae possess a relatively broad surface area, which allows them to collect water and mineral ions from a significantly more amount of soil than the root. The roots receive water and minerals from the fungus, and the mycorrhizae receive sugars and nitrogen containing components from the roots. Importance of mycorrhizae. It improves availability of water and minerals to the plants. Also, it provides drought resistance to the plants. Mycorrhizae protects roots of higher plants from attack of plant pathogens. Mycorrhizae may associate parasitically with host plants depending on the species or the environment. 95% of all the world's plant species form mycorrhizal relationships with fungi, and that in the majority of cases, the plant would not survive without them. Types of mycorrhizae, otherwise classification of mycorrhizae. There are two predominant types of mycorrhizae. They are classified by where the fungi colonize on the plants. Classification basis on the location of the fungal hyphae in relation to the root tissues of the plants. First type, Ectomycorrhizae. Example, Xylolithus tinctorius. Endomycorrhizae. In this endomycorrhizae, four types are there. Arbuscular mycorrhizae, also called as WAM. Example, Gigaspora. Next, ericoid mycorrhizae. Oidion dendron. In this ericoid mycorrhizae, two subgroups are there. Monotropoid mycorrhizae. Second one, arbutide mycorrhizae. Archid mycorrhizae. Example, Rhizotonia. Third one is Ectendomycorrhizae. Ectomycorrhizae. Ecto means outside the root. Ectomycorrhizae, also known as ECM, usually develops connections between woody plants like beech, birch, willow, oak, pine, fir, and spruce. That woody, connection between woody plants and the fungi belonging to the Ascomycota, Basidiomycota, and Zycomycota. About 10% of plant families have ectomycorrhizal relationships. Ectomycorrhiza live only on the outside of the root. Overall, only 5 to 10% of terrestrial plant species have ectomycorrhiza. Ectomycorrhizas comprise a Arctic net of hyphae encircling the plant cells in the root cortex, and a mantle. The mantle is a fungal mycelium form a dense sheath around the root or hyphal sheath covering the root tip. The term Ectendomycorrhizae refers to a mycorrhiza in which the hyphae have the potential to enter the plant cells. Springtail are attracted to and killed by the ectomycorrhizal fungus Laccaria bicolor to extract nitrogen, some of which may be passed to the mycorrhizal host plant. Endomycorrhiza. Endo grows in between the cells of a plant root. Endomycorrhizae are present in more than 80% of plant families, including greenhouse and crop plants, such as vegetables, flowers, grasses, and fruit trees. The production of vesicles and arbuscules by the fungus and their penetration of the cortical cells are characteristics of endomycorrhizal relationships. There are several types of endomycorrhizas, including arbuscular, arbutide, ericoid, monotropoid, and archid mycorrhizas. Arbuscular mycorrhiza. In an arbuscular mycorrhiza, also known as AMF, the symbiotic fungus reaches the cortical cells of the root of a vascular plant to produce herbuscules. Only member of the division Glomeromycota of fungi can produce herbuscular mycorrhizas. Ericoid mycorrhiza. Ericaceae plants and various mycorrhizal fungal lineages come together to produce the mutualistic association known as the Ericoid mycorrhiza. It has also been demonstrated that Ericoid mycorrhizas are highly saprotrophic, allowing plants to obtain nutrition from still in decomposition materials through the decomposing activities of their ericoid companions. Monotropide mycorrhiza. This kind of mycorrhiza can be found in various genera of the Orchidaceae and the Ericaceae, subfamily Monotropidae. These plants get their carbon from the fungal companion and are heterotrophic or mixotrophic. This type of mycorrhizal relationship is parasitic and non-mutualistic. Archid mycorrhiza. Every archid undergoes myco-heterotrophic growth at some point in its life cycle, forming archid mycorrhizas with various basidomycete fungi. Their hyphae enter the root cell and create ballotons, coils, to exchange the nutrients. Ectendomycorrhizae. The fungi form both mantle and also penetrates the cortical cells. Conclusion. Mycorrhizal interaction can lead to an increase in the growth of the plant. Mycorrhizal infection enhances plant growth by increasing the surface area of absorption within the soil, by mobilizing sparingly available nutrient sources from unavailable compound, by excreting chelating compounds or ectoenzymes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.